All right, we've got our name and our date on our paper, right? Look what it says here. It says, use the sounds to read the word. Then it says, change a sound to make a new word that your teacher says. So you're going to listen for me to say a new word. But we've got to read the words first, don't we? It said to read the words first. So let's look at number 1. And make sure I'm showing you the right thing. Hold on. Shh. Quiet voices, please. Now, let's use our sounds to read the first word. What sound do you see first? That's a letter. What sound? Then what? Ah. And then let's tap it on our arm. Ready? At. At. Mat. What's the first word we read? Mat. We're going to change the first sound. Look right here. We got to make a new word over here. I'm going to say the new word. Say this word. Rat. So what letter do we need to change the M to for rat? What sound? Like Ravi Rhino. So we change the M to an R and we make a new word. What was our new word that we just made? It doesn't matter. Keep up with where we are. What was our new word? We did mat. We changed it to, what's the word though? You have to do the whole word. I heard a few people. Rat. What's this word? No, this word. Mat. We changed it to rat. Good. Let's do number 2. Eyes up here. Ready? What's your first sound? What's the next sound? And the last sound? The last sound. Let's do it on our arm. Tap it on your arm. Ready? In 10. That's not like the number 10. It's like a can, like that's metal. 10. We're going to change it to make this word. Someone is talking. Shh. We're going to change the word 10. We're going to make it say fin. Say fin. So we've got to change the T to which sound? And what letter is F for finny fish? So we've got to write that here. What was the word that we read right here? In 10, we changed the T to an F to make this new word. Fin. 10, thin. Good job. Number 3. Let's sound it out. What's the first sound you see? Stop drumming. I hear one person doing the first sound. What's the middle sound? Ah. And the ending. On your arm, you can tap it. Ready? And pan, like a cook in a pan. But we're going to change it to make the word fan. So what do we change the P to make fan? What letter? F. Who's our character for F? Finny fish. So what new word did we just make? And fan. Good job. All right. Look in the box here. You've got to match the uppercase letter to the lowercase that matches. You draw a line to match them. What's this first one right here? R. Stop my pointer when you see lowercase r to match it. Oh, there it is. So I draw a line from uppercase to lowercase to match. You do all of those in that box. Pencils high in the sky when you finish matching. I see a few pencils in the sky. All right, Aiden, you got yours matched up? Just a few more seconds. All right, word number 1. Look what it says to do. It says, use the sounds, and I'm going to add something to this. Use the sounds you know to write the words you hear. So I'm going to say a word. You have to listen for the sounds. Would you like to tap them out sometimes to help you? Yeah. Let's do a few where we tap them, and then we'll do a few where we don't tap. Number 1. Listen to the word. Say ram. Ram. Let's tap it out. Let's say it on, use our arm. Ram. Now let's tap it. Ready? Ram. What was the first sound you heard? No, that was the middle sound. What is our letter for R. That's correct. Now let's tap it again. Say ram. We've got the What's in the middle? Who's our character that helps us? Alligator. What letter? Okay. Now we got to get the ending sound. Say the word again. What word are we writing? Ram. We've got Who's our character? Mika Moth. What letter does she show us? What letter? M. Number 2. Ready for number 2? Say my word. Fit. Fit. Tap it on your arm. Fit. Here we go. It. Fit. What was that first sound you heard? Who's our character? Finny Fish. What letter? F. All right, let's tap it out again. What's our word? What's the word? Fit. We've got, what's the next part? It. What is that? I for Iggy, inchworm. It. Now we're going to get the ending sound. What is our word again? Fit. We've got it. What is it? T for who? That's it. All right, I'm going to give you number 3 to do on your own. If you want to tap it on your arm on your own, you can. I'm not going to tap it this time. I want to see what you know. Number 3, do the word cat. Cat. Write those sounds that you hear. Write the sounds that you hear for cat. at, cat. Go. Pencils high when you got it.